Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the essentials ready. Charge the watch above 20% and place it near your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the watch's companion app so the app can guide pairing. Put the watch into its pairing mode now, usually found in Settings right arrow Bluetooth or a dedicated pairing screen. You do this first because the phone and app need an active discovery target to exchange ID and a secure pairing code. Next, select your watch from the app's device list. Names often include the model or a short ID. Then confirm or type the numeric code that appears on both screens. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Make sure to grant permissions the app requests, such as notifications and location access on Android for Bluetooth low-energy scanning, because without them, synchronization and alert delivery will be blocked. Finally, verify the connection by checking the watch status in the app, syncing time, and sending a test notification or vibration. Make sure Auto Reconnect is enabled so the watch reconnects automatically when in range. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and clear the phone's Bluetooth cache or previously paired entries, then repeat pairing. This removes stale entries that commonly block a fresh, secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.